What's that in your hand?
Red.
Red flower. Dito kami sa school ni Ate Paris. We're dropping her off. She's just getting a sleep sa kanilang office. Yeah. Where did you get that from?
A farm.
Where?
A farm.
A farm.
I see. I see me.
Big girl.
I see Abby. I see.
Come here, go say goodbye.
I see you, Mom. No! Mommy. Into face. Mommy, hey me, Mama, mommy. I see Mom. Mommy. Mom.
Hey guys! Happy Thursday! Kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris sa school. And we are on our way to Celine's playgroup now. So yung playgroup niya is from 9 to 11. So 2 hours. So mahaba-haba yung kanyang laro. Someone is picking her nose. Hey! Shh! Celine! Celine! You picking your nose? Huh?
No, Mama.
No, Mama. Alam niyo ba, himala.
It's Nini.
Nini. Himala na nakapagbihis ng ibang damit. Kasi, alam niyo naman na sobrang obsessed siya sa mga DRESS. Hindi ko na i-English kaya baka iiyak na naman yan siya. So, kanina, para mabihisan ko siya, ma-change ko yung damit niya na kulay violet. Hindi na natin yung isang kulay kasi alam niya. Ay, parang dinistract ko siya para hindi ma-focus yung isip niya sa kanyang damit. So, ayun. Sa awa ng Diyos, nabihisan ko siya guys ng just normal na damit. And, nalagyan ko ng ipit. Tingnan niyo, sobrang cute ng ipit sa kanyang hair. Anak! You still not done with your picking nose lang?
No.
5 minutes later.
Kakapark lang namin dito sa harap ng playgroup ni Baby Celine.
It's Nini Witch.
It's Lini Witch. Tingnan niyo, ay tinanggal na naman niya ang kanyang mga hair clips. Just color. Itong batang ito.
Nini Witch.
Lini Witch! Do you want some water?
No, I'm a water.
You want it?
No.
No? So, pupunta muna kami dyan sa cafe in front ng playgroup. Bili muna kami ng hot chocolate. And then, we'll go inside the playgroup. So, yeah.
I'm
You want water now? Bilis mag-change ng mind na ka. Look, say hi! Hi, have a look! Ate Chloe! Wow! Kakapark lang din nila dyan. Lalala, hi din siya. Put your shoes on, we can go. Apo! Apo! Maybe next year I can have a money car for play. The registering will be who is right next to Ang batang nasa playgroup pero gusto ng didi. Uy! 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 Uy!
A few moments later.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 11:22. Kakapark lang namin dito sa baba ng bahay namin. Baby Celine fell asleep. She's so tired from playgroup. And hinayaan ko na lang muna siya. I might keep her here for a bit kasi kakatulog lang talaga niya. And baka pag ilabas ko siya, hindi siya makatulog ulit. So yeah, it was really good. It's always fun kapag pumupunta kami sa playgroup na to. Kaya, I try my best na dinadala talaga si Baby Celine sa mga playgroup, sa mga rhyme time and everything. So, busy yung schedule ni Baby Celine even though hindi pa siya, nagja-childcare. And as much as possible, gusto ko talagang gawin to because next year, when I go back to work, ay hindi ko na magagawa tong mga bagay na to with Baby Celine and I'm going to miss it. Although, pagbalik ko ng work, as mentioned sa mga previous videos ko, babalik ako ng part-time. So, I'm hoping na Thursday, especially Thursday kasi she really loves the playgroup. I'll take the Thursday off para I can still take her to laro. And, alam ko meron sa inyo na nag-comment na meron naman daw daycare or childcare, yung tawag namin dito sa Australia, na magbabantay ng mga kids namin. Bakit daw hindi ako bumalik ng work? Or bakit hindi pa ako bumabalik ng work? So, firstly, hindi ako bumalik ng work after ng 1-year maternity leave ko kay Baby Celine. Because kung hindi nyo pa napanood, kung baguhan lang kayo sa channel natin, she got sick with urinary tract infection. And around June, July last year, June na sana ako na bumalik. But then, because that happened, minabuti ko na lang na mag-quit because I wanted to look after Baby Celine and leave my career for the time being. And there's no regrets. I love being a full-time mom to my kids. Kasi, as we all know, they are not kids forever. Sa naranasan ko lang kay Ate Paris, like, she's now in prep. She's gonna be grade 1 next year. Tapos, Baby Celine, parang ang bilis ng takbo ng panahon. At alam naman natin na first few years of the child's life is vital sa kanilang pagkatao. Kasi especially the first 5 years, that's where they learn everything. You know, they're like sponge that they absorb everything. Kasi, like they don't know anything. Like, it's empty, like the brain is empty, and then every single day of their life parang nararagdagan ng knowledge, ng ng kaalaman and all. So I want to be there for Baby Celine sa kanyang mga first niya. So first roll, first walk, first talking, like everything first. Gusto kong nandun ako. And secondly, yung childcare or daycare dito sa Australia is very expensive. Yung binabayad sa daycare, like yung fee sa daycare, ay similar lang sa sweldong nakukuha ko every day. So, that's one reason as well na parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, why would I go to work? And then, yung kinikita ko naman sa araw na yun ay parang binabayad lang sa childcare. So, why would I pay someone to look after my kid kung kaya ko namang alagaan yung anak ko? But then, thankfully, dahil sa government dito sa Australia, they're really, really good. They help you in terms of like childcare fee. So, meron silang tinatawag na subsidy. So, depende sa kung magkano yung kita ng asawa mo, magkano kita mo, they will assess it, tapos binibigyan ka nila ng whatever, like maybe, we'll just say 40 to 60% na help sa fee mo sa daycare. So, that helps, kumpara naman sa ibabayad mo na lahat yung kita mo everyday. Like, it doesn't make sense going back to work kung ibabayad mo lang naman sa childcare lahat ng kita mo. And also, another thing is, ngayon na si Ate Paris ay nasa school na, yung school nila dito sa Australia, it's until 3 o'clock lang ng hapon. So, kung nag-work kami, it's always until 5 or 5:30. So, it means that we have to put Ate Paris sa after-school care, which is another expenses. So, magbabayad ka na naman sa from 3 to 5 or 5:30. So, alam niyo yun, like, parang easy lang kung iisipin ng ibang tao. Pero kung kayo yung nasa sitwasyon, it's really hard, guys. Kaya nga, kailangan mo talagang timbangin kung worth it ba na bumalik ka ng work or alagaan mo na lang muna yung mga kids mo until they're both in school. Buti sana kung may family ka na malapit lang na makakatulong sa'yo para bantayan yung mga kids, diba? But unfortunately, not in Australia, guys. So, unlike nung kay Ate Paris, when I had Ate Paris, I went back to work full-time, 13 months old si Ate Paris. But because pinapunta ko yung sister ko dito, tinulungan niya akong bantayan si Ate Paris. So, I think at least 1 year, 9 months or 1 year, nagstay yung sister ko dito. And then, when she has to go back home, ay doon ko na nilagay si Ate Paris sa childcare. So, mga 2 years old. So, I think, you know, 2 years old is good, like, age for me para ilagay sa childcare. Kasi, they're not like baby anymore. And I think it's going to help them naman with their, like, socializing skills and marami pang skills yung matutunan nila sa childcare. Ati's coming! Look! Ati's here! Ati's here! Paris! Is your bag too heavy? You want my kiss? How are you? Good? Who's that, Anya? It's Irene. Who's that? Irene. Okay, okay. It's so hot, Ate. Yeah. Let's go.
Not actually.
Lainey, come this way now. Lainey, we're going. Hey.
Promise me show something.
Okay. Celine, what are you having, Ling Ling?
That was
Yeah, what is that?
that one.
Shakui. Kukchi?
Mine.
Shakui.
Here.
What are you having, Ate? Sweet roll. Yeah. Dito kami sa bakery na pinupuntahan namin, yung old bakery na pinupuntahan namin. Taga Shakui. Ayan, Shakui pa more. Tapos na napunta kami ng post office. But, Ate Paris wants to come here first. And also, nung nakita ko yung post office, sobrang busy pa. So, I said, let's just go to the bakery first. Yum, yum! Yum, yum! Kain muna kami before kami punta ng post office. Nakita ko sa inyo yung nabenta ko. Ipopost natin. Dalawa tong ipopost natin. Firstly is this Gucci na shoulder bag. Ayan. Finally, nabenta na rin siya, guys. Ilang beses nang may nagbid. And maybe 3 or this is 4th time ngayon na binayaran. So yung iba kasi, 'di ba? Na-mention ko sa video natin last time. Like, they are putting bid, best offers, and that, pero hindi naman nila binabayaran. Sayang lang. So, finally, thank you, Lord, nabenta na yun siya. We have another one here. Just black Chanel bag. And then, may bit-bit pa akong dalawa dito kasi may Pinay. She bought a few bags of me before na. And then, ito siya. Bibilhin daw niya. Pipick upin niya today, but hindi ko alam kung anong oras and kailangan pumunta ng post office. So, kailangan mag-multitask tayo. So, dinala ko na lang. Just in case, sabihin niya na she's coming, sabihin ko nasa post office kami. And she can just come to the post office kasi sobrang lapit lang naman sa bahay. It's a Coach sling bag and very similar one. It's from Tory Burch. So, we'll see kung pick upin niya today. But at least, andito na. Hindi ko na kailangan magmadali uwi ng bahay kung sasabihin niya na on her way na siya. So, yun yung post natin today. But, kain-kain muna tayo pag-uwi tayo. Finish lang? Dali na kayo mahurap natin para sa iyang kuan na. Pero, pagkaon Really done? We're home! Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi, pero itong dalawa ay naglaro muna sa baba ng kanilang scooter tsaka bike. I-unbox ko to guys. Natanggap ko today. Alam niyo ba, napakaswerte ko dito. Kasi, may pinafollow ako na page sa Instagram. They do like jewelry and everything, everything jewelry nga. So, nagpa-giveaway sila. I think, I can't remember. Basta last month. Tapos, isa ako sa mga nanalo, guys. Super lucky si mami nyo. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung actually, alam ko na kung ano ito. Kasi, pinapili naman nila ako kung ano yung gusto kong premyo. O, diba? Nanalo ka na, ikaw pa yung pinapili. So, it is, anong tawag dito? Moissanite. So, moissanite is a gemstone na mukha din siyang diamond. So, maraming mga tao na kapag, especially yung mga engagement ring or mga ganun, yung ginagamit nila na bato ay moissanite kasi it's cheaper compared to diamond and it's very similar. We are super happy kasi ito libre.
Mine is like the one.
Oh, I'm super excited.
Is it inside the package?
Yeah, it's inside this one.
Inside the little one?
Come here. See, alam niyo na sobrang ano nito niya kapag you wanna open yourself? Are you wearing your shoes, Ling Ling? Kapag unboxing. Oh, wow. Cool. Kita natin. Pair of studs. Yeah. Ayan. So, moissanite yan siya, guys. Tapos, silver. Di man makita.
Mommy?
Mommy? It's yours lang.
Oh. I was gonna try if it's mine because I went there.
You want it? Yeah, it's yours. I got it. I chose this one because I know it's gonna look nice on you. Oh, super nice lang. But you don't lose this one lang, okay?
Okay.
Tingnan nyo. Thank you,
Whoever.
Chianyo Gems. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan, guys.
Thank you, Jens, for making it beautiful.
Ilagay ko sa, sa screen yung Instagram page nila. Okay, do you wanna change na lang?
Yeah. Just put one of them. Well, it hurt like a lot of times.
Wow, super nice. Hala, kinang wala ayaw ka, anak. Careful lang. Kinang naman niya. Akin na lang to, anak. Wow, kaswerte kong Ate Paris. So lucky, honey.
Mommy.
Wow!
The bell.
Super nice.
The bell.
Bell, it's, yeah, we need to wash the bell. Come to the other side.
Oh,
so beautiful. Ito siya, medyo matagal na to sa kanya, hindi niya naiwala. Surprisingly. Sorry lang.
It hurts.
Damn. Say?
I'm scared.
Super nice lang.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
What's that? You answer the door.
You don't love daddy?
Sleepy na. Yeah?
No.
Hindi kasi nakuha nito yung tulog niya kanina eh. Nagising. Kaya she's suki. Ayaw niyang kumain. Oh, gusto na niyang mag-ano. Oo. Sleepy na rin?
Say go away, daddy.
No.
Let daddy go away.
Go away, Daddy.
High five.
ka ba?
No.
High five. No high five? High five?
No, no.
No.
What about kiss?
Ang kiss na lang Mari.
What about kiss? Okay, mama kiss daddy. Turn kiss Lini. Kiss daddy. No. Turn kiss Lini.
No.
Kiss daddy.
No.
No. Daddy got a kiss.
No.
No kiss for Lini.
Hindi.
No kada.
Kada. Kada only mama? Oh, no. Lini's feeding daddy.
What about her? Do you think made you nervous?
It wasn't like anything physical. It was more
Good job. How about your turn, Ling?
just a little bit shocked. A little bit shocked. On the end of it, I'm just like, what do you reckon? Like, we should turn up the last.
Good job daw. Good job, good job.
And yeah, she's like, I don't think I'd say yes. There wasn't like any sort of slight interest.
Are you getting vibes?
Yum.
She was kind of happy. It was,
Your turn,
I
Ling.
think maybe
You look like a glow about
Lini's turn.
Is that pudding?
I'm going to reach out to So. This is the feeling you hear.
Huge? No, look. Look, you mad. Way, yummy.
Ate, come here.
Just get it in.
That's what it is.
Ate.
With just 1 week left in the experience, Sully is still adjusting to life in a love triangle, where he finds himself in the unfamiliar situation of